Hi guys, here your girl Tripti Gupta. Welcome back to my YouTube video. In this video, we are going to do room tour. As we enter to the room, we saw a huge mirror. It's not a mirror, it's a window. Yes, it's a window. As we see, this is a window. It's a very good mirror and a window. Asthetic. This I took from Printerst. This is a Printerst edition. Here is a small tiny mirror. It's so cute. So coming back to this area, this is my study area. Here I do studies, and as you have seen in my videos, and here are some my pen, sketch pen which I use to make notes, and here is a whiteboard in which I write to-do list. Here is an alarm, a clock, and here are two books. These are some mysterious things. I don't know what are these. It's a earphone, yes. Here are some more pens, notes, sticky notes, scissor. Again some pen, sketch pen. In this wardrobe we have books. Yes, it's a box. Here I put some sanitizer here. Yes. Oh, okay. It's a medicine. Yeah. This is a medicine area. Here are some skincare products. Here are some books. Yeah. These are all my books of 11th grader as a neat aspirant. Yes. So this was all, and coming back to this area, see the lightning. Oh my god. Here is my small little bed. Yeah, I sleep here. It's okay to make mistake while I wardrobe. This is again a Printerst edition, a motivational wall. You can say that. So coming back to this, this is a cupboard which I put some my clothes, a lot of clothes. So these are my clothes, and there is a खजाना वाला box इधर, but इसके अंदर कोई खजाना नहीं है. सब mysterious things है इसके अंदर. I put some stickers on my cupboard, by the way. How it's look. Here are some drawing cast things. My books, color book, everything. So this was all for the video. Please suggest me for the next video. Thanks for watching.